Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iOS 26 beta not showing up on iPhone. If you have been eagerly waiting to test out iOS 26 but notice the iOS 26 beta not showing up on your device, you are not alone. Many users have run into the same issue, wondering why the update doesn't appear suddenly. Whether you are a developer or part of the public beta program, a few things could be causing the beta to not showing up. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you get iOS 26 beta from Apple developer program. If your device is spotted, the next step is to make sure you are actually enrolled in the right beta program. At the time the iOS developers beta update is released, users can update the system through Apple developer program, which provide early access to iOS developer beta, though it requires an annual fee. If you are one of the app developers or enthusiasts, you can see how to fix when iOS beta update option not showing. For this, open Safari and visit Apple developer program website and then sign in your account. To sign in, enter your email or phone number. Next, agree to the agreement and then click enroll today. Choose individuals, then fill in the required personal information. To enroll in this program, you will need to pay $99 per year. Proceed to pay the fee. Once payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email from Apple. After confirmation, your account will have full developer access. Next, go to settings and then choose general option and choose software update. And next choose beta updates and then select iOS 26 developer beta. Now go back and check for updates. The developer beta should now appear for you to download and you are done. Next, I'm going to tell you get iOS 26 beta via Apple beta software program. If you would rather not pay for the developer program but still want to try the beta software, there is a free alternative. For this, open Safari and visit Apple beta software program website and then tap sign in using your Apple ID. After signing in, tap enroll your device in the top menu and then choose iOS and then scroll down to the get started action. Open your iPhone and go to settings, then choose general and software programs. Choose beta update and select iOS 26 public beta. Return to check whether there is the iOS 26 public beta. If yes, tap to download and install it and you are done. And the next step is update to the next version first. After enrolling in the beta program and selecting the iOS 26 beta in settings, you might still not see the update, and a common reason is that your iPhone isn't running a recent enough iOS version. You may need to install the next available public version first before the iOS 26 beta becomes available. For this, go to settings, choose general option, choose software update. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version and you are done. And the next step is force to start your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the volume up button and release it, and then press the volume down button and release it, and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 26 beta not showing up on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.